All right, guys, today we're going to do a quick review on Super Clean. They sent this out to us to do a little video on, just to kind of see how we like it on our RCs, but we're going to check it out on a few other applications as well, because I know I can use something like this around the house. So we've got a floor absorbent for spills on the garage floor, any kind of floor, and then you have your foaming agent and your spray, and you have a sticker. You can apply this sticker to anything that you would like. So we love stickers around here. Excited to see how Super Clean works, because you can get this almost pretty much anywhere, I think. And then also we'll put a link down below for their website if you guys want to pick this stuff up. We've been using Sticky Kicks for a while. It's RC Cleaner and Degreaser. It works pretty good, but let's see how the Super Clean compares. So yeah, let's dive in. All right, here we got an RC. It's not that dirty, but we'll just use the spray here and see how it does. All right, let's give it a rinse. All right, that looks pretty good. Without even any scrubbing, got all that dirt out pretty good. This doesn't have a lot of grease on it, but still, it cleaned it up well. I'll go ahead and dry it off and then we'll take a final look. Super Clean. All right, here's the crawler after applying Super Clean, rinsing it and drying it. And this is without any brushing at all. It's come pretty clean. And this was with the spray, not the foaming agent, but you could use that as well. But yeah, not bad. All right, let's try it on the chainsaw here. See how it works. You can see the buildup here. Pretty nasty. Let's give that a good soaking. See here, got a bunch of grease and grime. All right, let's give it a rinse. Yeah, definitely better. I need to get in here a little bit more with a brush. But yeah, just by applying it, it's eating away a lot of that dirt and grease. Cleaned it up. Same thing here. Got all that off. Yeah, took all that off on the bottom. Real nice. All right, let's see what it can do in here. We've got some grime. Spray a little bit. Let that work in for a second. If you know anything about BMWs, you know they leak oil. Here's some dried up oil spots here that I've already cleaned up a while ago. So let's add a little bit more. All right, there's our oil. We're gonna try out the Super Clean Floor Absorbent. Sprinkle that on. And then it says give it a few minutes to work, and then all we're gonna do is sweep it up. All right, now let's see how it did. soaked it up. Look at that. A little bit more right there, but yeah. Not bad.